Yeah.
Hey, yo, what's up? And today, we bring you back in the video. Not just any video, a prank video. And it's coming out!
And it's gonna go here exciting whatever. Okay. And today we're bringing you back in this video. So as you can see, we're at the park. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna break these muffin windows. I wanna break the clubhouse.
Alright, relax. Oh, what's going on here?
And we're back with the
What's going on here to learn about the AZQ? And today it's been a while. So we're gonna go prank our very favorite cousin. Alright, so let's see how it goes. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Just kidding.
First things first, we're gonna send in Kelly Belly to distract them. Alright? So her car is right on the driveway. Right on the driveway. So we need to send in a spy and let her do her thing. While us three, we're gonna, you know, post it. Her car, her brand new car. On her car. Not post it.
She had to turn in the Lamborghini, you know.
Time to turn the Lambo and get a new car. So let's get on to the video. Alright guys, so we're going from the back. We have to be really sneaky. So if you're at home, shoot. So that's the target right there. Her brand new car. Alright guys, well here's an update. Well, we got both of these windows done. They don't really stick to the tire, so like that kind of sucks. So like here's an update. We're still working. SG for obviously Snake Gaza. If you haven't already, subscribe. Alright guys, well here, excuse me Kevin, yourselves. Welcome. Excuse me.
Welcome.
Whoa, sorry. We're back, boy, because it's been a long time. Alright, we got both of these windows done, obviously. Let's go to the front hood. Alright, we got, obviously, the professional, the most, what's it called? The rocket ship.
Well, what's going on right now is, oh, no. That rear window, oh, the bad view. Anyways, what's going on is, Lupita's currently not home. She's actually in the back with her neighbor, with her boyfriend or whatever, and she's visiting him. So that
it was the wrong time to visit your boyfriend.
that saves us a lot of time because she's with her boyfriend, and she's almost going to work. It's currently, I don't have my phone. It's actually charging. It's currently like
3:30.
3:30, yeah. And she works at 5, but she's leaving at 4:30 to be back for because she has Black Friday and she works. She busy or whatever. And so yeah, she has to go early or whatever. So yeah, details. Oh, it's because I wanted to look like you today. Both. Yeah, she's with her boyfriend and she's not gonna be back till a little later, so she has to like go to work or whatever. And yeah, so yeah, that's the update. I'm gonna go back inside because it's actually kind of, I have a lazy eye because it's actually kind of cold.
Well, we've been.
Do you guys want to look at each other? Alright, look at each other. Okay, Ratchet, peace.
Alright guys, well we just got a text and the victim is almost out. Alright, so final product.
Pinche cámara está toda sucia. Todo.
Amor, amor, amor. Amor, amor. You freaking liar. Oh my god. Hey. Amor, amor. She's gonna end up right here. She's gonna pop up right here. So,
I knew it.
okay.
What the hell is that? Work? Work? What did that say? What? I knew it.
You thought! You thought! Nah, you got pranked.
I have to go to work.
Nah, you got pranked. You got pranked.
She was like, I knew something was
rushing me.
Nah, you got pranked. Nah.
Okay, bye. No.
Yeah, oh, with the back, get on the cincture. No, record nothing, no.
What's the SG?
Yeah, what channel is this?
Oh. The S?
Alright, you can go to work now. Alright, take it for a ride.
I can't drive like that.
Yes, you can! No, you're fine!
The cops are gonna pull me over.
No, you're fine! Just take it for a ride!
If I can't see in the back?
Oh, okay, just take out the back and the front, you're fine, and then take it for a ride.
I have to take it out, obviously.
Of course.
I'm gonna be late to work.
You must be mad.
I was like, hurry. You were right.
You were right. Look, we got over there.
She was like,
Look at, we got a suspect over there. Look at her.
I was like, are you rushing me?
Exactly, we did this. Exactly. Alright. Yeah. Alright guys, so that concludes the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please. Hey, Lupita. Lupita. Ben. Yeah. Oh. Otherwise, the snake out. Yeah, well, nobody cares, guys. Well, nobody cares. Well, nobody cares. We'll be back with another video. Very soon. Stay blessed, and we'll see you next time. Subscribe, slap the like button, I'm
gonna kill.
Hey man, so this girl right here is telling me that it's on. It's prank wars.
Prank wars. I'm making my own channel.
Good one. Oh, you gotta make your own channel. Hey, shoot. What channel is this? Yeah.